2024 is looking really up and down, guys, right? I think it's going to be like a roller coaster. So we may as well buckle up. Why? I mean, all the warning signs are here, guys, right? It's not in the future or in the past. I mean, it is kind of, but it's literally right here. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about the economy because there seems to be some type of recession inbound, right? And everything will plummet in price. Maybe then we'll go back up. But I mean, if this isn't warning of what's upcoming, then I don't know what will, guys, right? Now it seems like it's guaranteed, but obviously not financial advice. Anything can occur. Planet Fitness from Unusual Whale, Planet Fitness director and former CEO, sold 100% of his shares. Approximately 1 million shares for $66 million today, guys. $66 million. He just profited off of selling his shares, right? So he sold what? All of it, guys, right? He's out of the game as well. Everyone is just fleeing. Wait, what? The stock market is rising, right? The Dow Jones, SPX, it's all rising, guys, but they're selling. Something seems a little bit odd, doesn't it? Again, I have a feeling something could be incoming in the year 2024, guys, right? And today we're going to see if we can figure it out. Crazy. Is he expecting another, right? Maybe a repeat of 2020 in the year 2024, right? That's weird. That's suspicious. Exactly. That's what I'm getting, guys. It's like every CEO, every executive, right? Not even cryptocurrencies, stocks, they're all selling, guys, right? But this is what I really hope for to happen. So I hope Bitcoin pumps, right, before the halving date, and then it plummets in price. Let's just say a recession occurs, and then we start to move back up, guys, right? Same thing as this, as you guys can see, and the same thing right here, guys. That's what I hope, right? Which will be very unexpected. Nobody will expect this type of rally up, guys, right? It will catch everyone off guard, which it will be a pain trade, right? Imagine that, guys. Imagine if cryptos and Bitcoin creates on a new all-time high before April of 2024, right? Everyone misses out. The retail isn't even here. That's the crazy part. And then when they all buy, right, at the top, the recession occurs, right? And it plummets in price. Like, I don't know, some crazy number, guys, right? It plummets some crazy price. It plummets in price a crazy large amount, and then we move back up again. That would be the most insane thing, right? I talked more about that type of scenario, I think, in my second channel, guys. On my second channel, so I'll have in, just type in Cryptox on YouTube. But here's possibly another warning from Jim Cramer. He's a contra-indicator. Whatever he says, the opposite occurs. Good. Remember, he said to sell your Bitcoin at around, what, 20-something K, right? And look at where Bitcoin is now. Good to see where the cynics get their heads handed to them, right? And the S&P 500 just moving up, guys. So the comment section is literally saying a top signal, right? Rip stock market. I knew a crash was inevitable. Oh, so we're going to be talking about the short term, the long term, guys. So that's another warning possibly. JP Morgan's top chart says the S&P 500 to tumble all the way back to $3,500, retesting bear lows, guys, right? What if we go up first, though, right? That'll be the most, like, craziest scenario to take place, guys. No one is expecting that, right? No one is. The majority, you guys want to know something? Let me go back to the Bitcoin chart. The majority of people think this, okay? Let me move all the arrows and the drawings and the lines, guys. The majority of people believe this is going to happen. Bitcoin pumps to like 50K, 50-ish K, right? And it dumps and it's going to dump back to like 30-something K. And then we're going to start moving back up, guys, right? That's what the majority of people believe. So, I don't know. Usually the consensus, the majority of people are wrong, guys. So, here we go. Again, we're exposing the timeline, possibly, right? There could be a black swan today, guys. There could be. And everything plummets. But will there? Very unlikely. From Michael Burry, historically, the stock market collapses after the first Fed rate cut. So here seems to be, we cracked the code, guys. Okay, ready? Pay very close attention. The market is predicting the first rate cut will be happening in the middle of 2024. There we go, right? This seems awfully similar to the 2020 thing, guys. So obviously they're not going to use the same excuse as the 2020 thing, right? As in, cough, cough. they're going to be using something else. Now I don't know what that will be because it's a black swan if it does occur, right? They're going to blame it on something else, guys, if it does happen. So curve steepens. We are here. Supposedly we're right here, guys. First Fed cut. Okay, so maybe a couple months away. Check this out. So odds of rate cuts beginning as soon as January 2024 are rising quickly, right? 56% chance of rate cuts beginning in March 2024, but then it's flip-flopping, guys, because now just in interest rate futures shift from showing rate cuts beginning in March 2024 to now May of 2024, guys, right? So it's either May or March. They're predicting the first rate cut will begin. Now, let's say it stays in May, guys, right? If it stays in May, that's perfect. Why? Because check this out, guys. April is right here, okay? April is literally right here. Guess what's happening at the same month, right? In the same month. Well, the the Bitcoin halving, right? The SEC versus Ripple case, I think the deadline is in that same month, guys. An eclipse is taking place as well, right? What else? There's a lot of different things happening, guys. So wouldn't it make sense, guys, if in May, right here, right around this time frame, the Fed starts cutting rates, right? So if the assets are rising, guys, right, and then they start cutting rates over here, the prices, the reason why the Fed will cut rates is because something hit the fan, right? The economy s the bed, guys, right? And then when they start cutting, they'll probably come back in and save the day, and we move back up. Remember, 2024, it's an election year as well, right? So they probably may have to come in and save the day, but if they don't, then the collapse will happen literally at this time. What's fascinating is some people believe, not some people, I've heard, I think one other person say this, in April or around this time frame, that's when the collapse happens. Now, I'm not saying it will, guys, but if the Fed doesn't come in and save the day, then it will, probably. So this next week, guys, is going to be ballistic. One of the most important dates for the economy. Why? Because the next FOMC meeting is in 3 days, 16 hours and 58 minutes and 50 seconds, 52 seconds. So that's the next FOMC meeting, guys, right? And during this FOMC meeting, why is it so important, you may ask? Well, here's why. It's because if the Fed pauses interest rates, right, which 97% of the market believes they will, guys, right? What is that? What does that mean? It's going to be bullish for assets, right? We're going to be just keep on pumping, guys, right? Probably. Oh, and then not to mention I added more XRP to my leverage long just now, right? Just like a few hours ago, because XRP did dump a little bit. I added more, guys, XRP. But so in the short term, like maybe in the next few days, we may see some dumpage, I don't know, but afterwards, if they do pause, which highly likely they will, right, stocks will probably start pumping again and again and again, or cryptocurrencies, everything, right? When we see them inching closer to a Fed rate cut, that's when the markets will have already plummeted, right? So let us pay very close attention. The Fed will have to restart quantitative easing if they start cutting rates. Exactly. Look at this, guys. It's so simple, right? It seems like the game plan is quite clear. The private market probably won't show up much demand for treasury auctions with lower rates. The buyer of last resort, the Fed, will have to create trillions of dollars digitally, right, out of thin air. They just got to print. 2024 is shaping up to be a mess, guys. Wow, right? This is why I said, guys, this is just my opinion. If I see XRP, right, pumping heavily, like to, I don't know, to higher prices, guys, right, to like $1 something, $2, and we're right before the recession takes place, or Bitcoin is now at new all-time highs and everything, guys, right? I'm definitely going to be taking a lot of profits out of the table, right, off the table. Why? Because at that point, it's going to be too heated, right? and then I'm going to buy back in if they come in and save the day. It's that clear. That's not financial advice, but I think I have a strategy in place as we speak. Now, the Federal Reserve will cut interest rates 6 times in 2024. That's a bad sign, guys, right? That means the economy has gone to ass, so they're coming in saving the day, as the economy shows clear signs of cooling down. Now, let me make a prediction that does not require me or anyone else to be clairvoyant, from Johnny Deaton. The Fed will lower rates before the summer. It is an election year, and the administration in power will not allow 8% mortgage rates and higher gas prices. Why? Right? Etc. Why, guys? It's all about the economy, dummy. Now, they do, they will do whatever it takes to encourage economic activity and avoid a nasty recession. The Fed will print money and lower rates. It is a guarantee. Right. So it seems like they're going to come in and save the day, guys. If there is a recession. If there isn't, that just means we're just going to pump, right? So it's a win-win either way. Right? Either way, it's a win-win, guys. So I'm not even too worried. Right? And it seems like they probably are forced to lower rates and everything. So $7.6 trillion of the United States government debts will mature in the next year, guys, right? They will need a recession and low rates to make this feasible. There we go. Right? So it seems like, I mean, we still haven't talked about the rest of it, guys. And the rest of it is kind of like actually proof in the damn pudding that we may actually honestly see a recession. But we're probably going to, I'm just going to save it for another video, guys, since it's already taken too long and there's so much data in this one video, right? A lot of data. Let's just prepare, guys, because 2024 is probably going to be a roller coaster year. I'm ready. Are you? Not financial advice. My name is XRP Amazingness. See ya.